This small electronic device might be seen in many different circuits. This is diode. A diode is a semiconductor device that essentially acts as a one-way switch for current. It allows current to flow easily in one direction, but severely restrict current from flowing in the opposite direction. Using this characteristic, today I will make a 5-volt DC power source from 220 AC, and I will try to charge my phone from this 5 volt. A diode is formed by joining two equivalently doped p-type and n-type semiconductor. The p-type side is the positive terminal called the anode, and the other terminal is negative, which is called cathode. Conventional current flows from anode to cathode. There are many kinds of diode. Light emitting diode, which is very much known as a LED, is one of the kind of diodes. Diode can be used as a rectifier. If we pass a AC voltage through a diode, diode will rectify the AC voltage and it will cut off the negative half cycle. Here I use a 9 volt step down transformer. In the oscilloscope you can see I'm getting AC voltage. Now I will use this diode to rectify these AC voltage. Connected the diode in forward biased. So now I will check the signal on the oscilloscope. You can see the voltage has been rectified. The negative half cycle is cut off. Let's connect another probe before the diode to see the two signals together in the same plot. So after calibration we could see both the signals in the same plot. So here are. Now using the full wave rectifier circuit, I will make a 5 volt DC power source from 220 AC. The components I need to make it: first of all I need a 9 volt or 12 volt step down transformer. Then I need 4 diodes, any capacitor from 50 to 500 microfarad, 7805 5 volt regulator, a USB female connector, a small breadboard. I will use this plug for primary side of the transformer, and lastly I need some wires. First let's connect the transformer primary side to 220 AC. If you got problem to find the primary side and the secondary side of the transformer, you can take a multimeter and measure the resistance of primary side and the secondary side. Here I found resistance for this blue and yellow wire is 4 ohm. I will check the other two. Here I found 6 ohm. So the resistance is less than 10. In the other side, here the resistance is 366. So we can say this is the primary side. Resistance value of primary side is always greater than the secondary side. So here I'm getting the secondary side voltage is 9.7 volt AC. Now I will connect the bridge rectifier circuit by diodes to get the full wave. Then I will add a capacitor which makes the voltage smooth. Using a 7805 voltage regulator to get the constant voltage 5 volt. Adding a USB female connector so that I can charge my phone. I will use only ground pin and the voltage bus pin. So connecting all the stuffs are done. Now I will add the circuit with the transformer. So here it is. I'm getting constant 5 volt DC. Now it's time for testing. This is 5 volt DC bulb. So now I will charge my phone.